Hello everyone. Again take a paper with some design in it. Now fold it like this as shown in the video. Yes, you have to do it neatly and carefully. Yeah, a star is ready. Wow. We are again folding the ends and you'll see a tap is ready. Now take a square piece of paper and fold it like this. Follow the process carefully and fold the paper neatly so that there is finishing in our craft. Now open it from both the sides. You will see a bow is ready. We have added the antenna. This is a butterfly. Now again take a square piece of paper and fold it as shown in the video like this. Cut it like this. Now roll it upon and stick them together like this. We have made two cute cups. Now take a crepe paper and fold it like this. Yes, you have to follow the process. Do it neatly so that the end result looks beautiful. Yes, fold it like this. Add some clay. The cap is ready. Now again take a square piece of paper, fold it into a triangle and then follow the process. Again writing some numbers on it and we have added those squares on top and bottom. It is a telephone. Again we have taken a square piece of paper and we are folding it as shown in the video. Yes, you have to follow the process and do it neatly and carefully. Yes, like this you have to do it. You will see a heart is getting ready. Yes, and it is a 3D heart. Now take a square piece of paper and fold it as shown in the picture and the video. Yeah, like this you have to do it. Yes, like this. Wow, a vase is ready. Again take a piece of paper and fold it as shown in the video. Follow the process like this. You have to do it. Yes, yeah, open it and you will see flower is ready. Fold the paper neatly so that there is finishing in the craft. Thanks for watching.